Dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Krishna, your BBS trainer. In this video, I am going to explain you how to calculate this 200 width column rings. So in this project, in ground floor and basement floor, all the columns are having 300 width and length, number of lengths are there. So n number of lengths are there, and width is constantly 300 was there. So now all this 300 width of the column is going to changing to 200 So almost all column, only one column is coming only 300 all other columns are changing into 200 So I am going to explain for this 200 So what are the formulas are required to calculate all these 110 columns fastly. So I have created super Excel formulas to work out these column rings very fast. So I am going to explain this what are the formulas are required to calculate these column rings by giving some minimum inputs. You see, I am taking this the one of the example 900 by 200 column size, and this column size is going to reduce from 300 to 200. So here we are having one master ring and two inner square rings and one hook. So this type of hooks will be different. So for the different columns for the as per the length. So whatever the length is gives, just changing the inputs itself, the quantity has to come. Like that I have created the formula. So I am explaining one by one. I am explaining for the first this outer ring formula. For this outer ring is very easy. Same for calculating small a, capital A minus 2 times of cover minus 2 into d by 2. D by 2 is this is the you have to calculate the center of the ring. The effective length of the ring has to be calculated from the center of the ring. So that's why A is equal to capital A minus 2 times of cover minus 2 times of d by 2 or 1d. So B is also is equal to B minus 2 times of cover minus 2 times of d by 2 or 1d. So by simplifying this, so outer ring is equal to size plus hook minus bend deduction. So outer ring is equal to 2 times of A plus B plus 2 into 10d. 10d means one hook coefficient is 10d. For the two hook I am taking 2 into 10d minus 3 into 2 times of t. 3 means 3 number of 90-degree bend into 2d means 2d is the coefficient for 90-degree bend, and plus 2 into 3d. 2 is the 2 number of 135-degree bend, and 3d is the 135-degree coefficient. By calculating this, by simplifying this, the outer ring 2 into A plus B plus 20d. 2 into 10d means 20d minus 3 into 2d 6d plus 2 into 3d 6d, 6d plus 6d 12d. So this is the outer ring formula. Next I am going to explain this inner ring formula. This is the very critical calculation. So here I have to just concentrate carefully to calculate this ring. So here is the same outer ring is equal to size plus hook minus bend deduction as it is. Here we have to calculate the center ring 2 into B plus C. This C value we have to find out. This is the C value. C value for this this ring center to center. This what are this center rods are there? No, inside this rod center, this C value has to be calculated. To find out that this C value, we have to calculate this rod center to center spacing X value we need to find out. To find out this X value, we need to enter this corner column rod dia and this center rod dia. All those inputs we need to give. So once we give those inputs, automatically this X value and C value will be calculated according to this formula. So I am going to explain this X formula, how it will be. X is equal to A minus 2 times of cover. This total A minus 2 times of cover. Outer here one cover and here one cover minus 2 times of D. 2 times of D means this outer ring outside this ring dia and here this ring dia. We have to be minus 2 times of D over no, then minus 1 times of this corner column rod dia. This corner column rod is there, no? This corner column rod dia, year of dia and year of dia, total 1 dia we need to be deducted. So sum of all this divided by n. N means this number of rods, how much is coming from the lower side. Here double rod is there, that's why we need to take that numbers and all. How to take those numbers I will explain in the actual ring calculation. So this is the one side, number of rods is the n value. So then you will get the x value. Here is the n is equal to one side number of column rods, and CCRD is the corner column rod dia, and CRD is inside center ring column rod dia, that is there here to calculate the C value. Once this x value comes, then C value will x plus d. D means this dia of this one dia of year of dia of this ring dia plus CRD. CRD means here half of the this column rod dia and here half of the column rod dia. Then C value will come. Once this C value will come, then this ring formula will operate. 2 times of B plus C. Instead of we are calculating A plus B, no, like that. Here B plus C plus 2 times of hook and bend deduction, as it is. Bend deduction we have to do 2 into 10 times of dia for hook and 90-degree bend and 135-degree bend we have to deduct. Then simplify, then center ring center ring formula has come. Then next we are going to hook. Then hook distance is very easy. Hook is equal to same, this shorter span B minus 2 times of cover minus 2 into half of the d by 2 plus 2 times of hook minus 2 times of 3D. 3D is 135-degree bend coefficient. So then if you simplify this, then hook is equal to B minus 2 times of cover minus D plus 20D minus 6D. So this is the hook formula. Same formula I have attached in the Excel sheet. So the same formula I have attached in the Excel sheet, and I have shown the formulas wherever the formulas is required to come. I have shown the arrow mark, and I have created one beautiful tabular column. Just go through this tabular column, and I have done one calculation for the C2 column ring calculation, and the sizes and all I have entered, and what are the details required, those are also I have entered over here. Just see this formula and practice this before going to calculate the actual ring calculation. This will be very helpful for you to learn and practice. I hope you people have liked this video. Kindly subscribe and like and share with your friends and colleagues. Let them learn, and if you have any comments, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.